I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. If you're returning, thank you for checking out another video. And if you're new to this channel, just hit that subscribe button if you're looking for constant new updates on new units. So today, the unit that I'm wearing is one of the new ones. It's a Sensationnel Laisha, and I got it in the color 2. So if you want to see the unboxing and everything like that, just stay tuned for this video and I'll show you what I did with this beauty.
Hello, we bout it, I don't wanna follow you. Hopping around, repo a 40 of the juice. I am reloaded, boy, we coming up for you. This is me rolling while I'm trying to get loose. Give me the juice. Hop out the Rari, I'm flyer than you. Fuck what they talking about. Spitting that fire, apply it to you. Didn't I tell you though? You looking no struck when I walk in the room. I am so cold with a cold down, they got me inspiring you. Fly when I ride in the coupe, sipping on vitamin water and spike with a loop. Despite what I do, skin thinking an elephant, intelligent higher than you. Feeling no loose, was talking about it on I am the truth. Didn't you get it, you get all your middlemen trying to stop what I do. Ooh, I'm on the roll call, hold down, higher than you. Your girl on the roll call, fall off, hop on my suit. You're flowing the hold down, so round, water like soup. Tell her you fuckers to fall off, hoping that I fall off too. I'ma just light them up true. Fuck what they talking about, boast about flyer than you. I'm so intellectual, flow is perpetual, definition of the truth. Ayy. Didn't I tell you I'm higher, much flyer than you? Give me a minute, just call me a minister. I have been fathering you, true. Hello, we bout it, I don't wanna follow you. Hopping around, repo a 40 of the juice. I am reloaded, boy, we coming up for you. This is me rolling while I'm trying to get loose.
I am the proof. I'm on the rise cause I'm flyer than you. I'm cutting ties like I'm wearing no shoes. Head in the stars, I've been raising the roof. Hey, I am a mood. I got the vitamins, I am the juice. I am a snack and they eating my food. Yup, I've been Vicodins, living on snooze. I got the hype, man, I'm sick like the flu. Fighting the spike cause I'm sicker than you, slicker than you. Hey, I never quit whether win or lose. I've been legit with the things I pursue. I am enlightened, I thought that you knew. Hazing the youth, I've been paying my dues. They call me son cause I'm higher than you. I am a legend, I'm making the news. Calling me Reverend, I'm blessing the booth. I'm setting fire to all your desires, and so you're inspired by all that I do. I'll introduce you to how to improve. You got a classic, you drop out of school. I am amused by the effort your desperate endeavors are cleverly following through. Fighting my style till you broken in two. You're like a days ago, dazed and confused. I am amazed by the ways you consume. Live in the faces you find out with Sue. See your demise been disguising the truth. Lies in your eyes been providing your news. I spread defiance in every excuse. You've been denying and fighting my cool.
Hello, we bout it, I don't wanna follow you. Hopping around, repo a 40 of the juice. I am reloaded, boy, we coming up for you. This is me rolling while I'm trying to get loose.
So this unit has a medium, I wouldn't say really, I guess between a medium and a soft Yaki. I really like the texture. I just like the vibe as a whole because it's giving me like bundle vibes. It's just a single parting that's right in the middle. You got your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, just your standard normal cap construction. It's a really nice density. While I was playing with this unit, I did get some tingling, which is to be expected. I definitely did get some shedding, but it wasn't anything too crazy. I like the density on this a lot. This is all the hair to the front. I feel like this unit definitely was a throw on and go because I really didn't have to do much. The baby hairs were kind of hard for me to lay down, but then again, when I cut them, I may have cut them kind of short, so that could be my issue there. But other than that, that's probably just the only issue I had with this unit. So let me just show you it to the side. and it does go right below my boobs. I'm 5'3". And this is everything to the back. Comes almost to the top of my butt. So I didn't do different stylings with this unit just because I feel like it was really cute in the middle. I didn't feel like shifting it or trying to do different styles just because, like I said, I was noticing some tingling and shedding and didn't want it to get all crazy on me. Plus I feel like when I wear it out, this will be the way that I wear it. So also, this unit does not feel like it's going to be big head friendly. I haven't adjusted the straps at all, and it's fitting my head really snug. So if you have a bigger head, just keep that in mind. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. This was a simple and easy throw on and go. I feel like if you're looking for something that you don't really have to put that much work into, this will definitely be a good hit for you. Thank you for checking out this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hello, we bout it, I don't wanna follow you.